Hi there, my name is Fabrizia. I am a remote career coach. I've been working as a remote recruiter and remote talent manager for some very cool startups from the US. I'm based in Barcelona, I'm an Italian speaker, and I'm here to tell you that you can land a remote job regardless where you are based or what your expertise is. So, have you ever felt like you have sent hundreds of applications and never heard back from any company? Do you feel like there's something you can optimize on your resume to get invited to an interview with a remote company? Or do you feel that you need to know how to highlight the amazing skills you have, soft skills and hard skills, to show the company how good you are for a specific role? Well, if you need answers to all these questions, join me in my webinar where I will teach you how to write an outstanding resume and make sure you will get invited to interviews with remote companies. Alright, see you later. Bye.